Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to turn on comments on YouTube. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to turn on comments on YouTube, simply follow my steps. First of all, go to your YouTube channel. As you can see here as an example, I have my YouTube channel. So in the top right corner, okay, here guys, go to your channel. As you can see, now click here in YouTube Studio. As you can see, okay, the left side or left pane, scroll down to, okay, select settings. As you can see, okay guys, here select on the left side the channel tab. As you can see, okay, in the top tab also guys, here select advanced settings. Okay, as you can see here guys, make sure you select the second one, not the first one. No, set this channel as not made for kids, because if you select the first one, yes, this channel as made for kids, as you can see, notifications, comments and stories will be disabled, so you cannot enable comments here. So select the second one, no, set this channel as not made for kids. When you finish guys, go to the second one, upload defaults, third one, third option. Okay, here guys, in the top select the second tab, advanced settings. Okay, make sure you select the second one, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. As you can see, okay, when you finish, click save. That's it guys. Okay, don't go. Also we have one step. Go to your videos, mark all or select all. As you can see here guys, in the edit option, select comments. Okay, then select the second one, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. When you finish, select update videos. Okay, check the box, update videos. Okay, wait a moment, let's finish. Okay, that's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.